Hi everyone. I bought this Fortuner when it was newly launched about 3 years back, and since day one, the ride was so bumpy. It was not comfortable at all. I was not satisfied since the beginning. After like complaining also to Toyota from the dealership I bought many times, I have been asking like, is there a solution to this problem? I'm not satisfied. They were like, send your car, we will check it. There's no such problem or so whatsoever. Then I started looking online and I found Arc Shocker and. After watching some videos on YouTube, I had a word with Mr. Deepak, the owner of the company, and after like 3-4 conversations, and he asked what my problem was. I gave him every detail he asked for. The ride basically, I would first explain what my problem was. The drive basically is very bumpy. When you drive the car on even on highways or even on like in the city, when there are bumps on the road, you driving like this. It's not a stable ride, and I was not satisfied basically. So Mr. Deepak suggested me to replace my rear shockers, and uh, it was I got those shockers replaced, and the time I got replaced, I it was so the difference was unimaginable. It was excellent driving the ride after that. Even my dad and I, before that, we at least 4 or 5 times in 3 years thought of selling this car again and again, but the time kept on passing. And after the shockers got replaced, the drive is amazing. It drives like it feels like driving a sedan. It's so comfortable now. There's no bumpiness. There's stability has improved and comfort level has improved a lot. So I would recommend you all, if anybody is facing such problem, get your shockers replaced. I replaced my rear shockers from Arc Industry, and I'm very much satisfied. Thank you.